Ria, we need to go to the market today.
Okay, Mom, what do we need to buy?
We need vegetables, fruits, and milk.
Mom, can I come with you?
Yes, of course. Get ready.
Mom, the market looks busy today. Why do people come early?
Because the vegetables are fresh in the morning.
Oh, I see.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. How much are the tomatoes?
They are 40 rupees per kilo.
Okay, please give me 1 kilo.
Mom, the tomatoes look fresh.
Yes, they are good.
Would you like some apples?
Yes, please. How much are they?
100 rupees per kilo.
Give me half a kilo.
Mom, can we buy bananas too?
Yes, we can.
Mom, how do I ask the price in English?
You can say, how much is this?
How much is this?
Very good.
I am learning English.
How much is the total amount?
It is 200 rupees.
Here you are.
Thank you. Have a nice day.
Thank you.
Bye. Mom, I enjoyed going to the market.
Me too. You helped me a lot.
I learned new English words today.
That is very good, Ria.
I will practice every day.
Did you enjoy the market?
Yes, Dad. I talked in English too.
That's great.
She is learning fast.
I am learning English every day.
Hello, are you free? I need a taxi.
Yes, I am free. Where do you want to go?
I want to go to the railway station.
Okay, don't worry. We will reach on time.
Thank you. I was feeling worried.
Please, sit comfortably.
It has been a very long day.
Yes, life can be hard. Sometimes.
I just want to reach safely.
You are safe here. Relax.
I feel better now.
Good. Take a deep breath.
How long will it take?
About 20 minutes.
Okay, that is fine.
We have arrived at the station.
Thank you so much.
Take care and travel safely.
Hello. I'd like to check in, please.
Of course, ma'am. May I see your passport and ticket, please?
Here you go.
Thank you. Are you checking any bags today?
Yes, just one suitcase.
All right. Let me weigh your bag.
I hope it's not overweight.
Don't worry, ma'am. Your bag is under the weight limit.
Oh, thank goodness.
Do you have any carry-on bags?
Just this small backpack.
Perfect. Everything seems fine.
Do I need to remove liquids from the backpack now or at security?
You'll do that at the security check. No need to worry now.
Okay, got it.
Now, would you like a window seat or an aisle seat?
I love looking outside. So, a window seat, please.
Done. You are in seat 24A.
That's perfect.
Here is your boarding pass. Your gate is B12. Boarding starts at 10:15.
Gate B12. That's not too far from the entrance, right?
No, ma'am. It's just a short walk straight ahead. Look for the signs. You won't miss it.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome, ma'am. Do you have any questions about the flight?
Yes. Will my luggage go directly to New York?
Yes, ma'am. Your suitcase is checked through to your final destination.
That's such a relief.
Everything is set. Enjoy your flight, ma'am.
Thank you very much. I appreciate your help.
You're welcome. Safe travels.
Okay, gate B12. Let's hope I don't get